Alright, so just in case anyone was wondering, because I know I was, what kind of LED kit is in the '01 Crown Vic here. I went ahead and tightened these up and zip tied them because they were just hanging in there. But they are the V16 Turbo LEDs is what they are called. I just wanted to clean them up there. Let me get the light, move it around here real quick. See, they have the little built-in fans in there. You can hear them when you turn the headlights on. Matter of fact, I'll do that. I'll let you hear it here in a second. Alright, here's the other side here. See, V16 Turbo LED. And I looked them up. Apparently these aren't your $12 eBay ones. These are a little higher quality, so that's good. There's the bulb over there. You can see it. The little fan built in there. Okay, I turned the headlights on. You can hear the little fans running in there. Go over to the other side. Pretty sure you can hear them. But that's what's in there. I wasn't even in here to mess around with the LEDs, but once I, remembered they were flopping around, I figured I'd go ahead and at least zip tie them up. I was actually looking in here to see what kind of room we had. And there's quite a bit of room in there. So I was looking up these Crown Vics. Their power steering oil cooler and their transmission oil cooler. They're not in the radiator. I guess they quit that in like 97 or something, I want to say. I guess 98 and up. They used an external style. Let me show you here. Sort of similar, I guess, to what my Ford Explorer had. So here's your radiator. There's your AC condenser in front, and then in between there, let's see, this right here running across here, that right there is one cooler. Actually, it's two coolers. It runs the whole length of the radiator. And this side here, those are your transmission cooling lines going into it right here. And on the other side here, you've got your power steering cooling lines going to it. So that's all fine and dandy, but I'm going to go ahead and do what I do to all my automatic vehicles, automatic transmission vehicles that don't have a big external cooler on them. I'll go ahead and hit the pick apart yard or pick and pull, whatever it's called. And I like to get a stacked plate cooler, which is what the one in here is. They look like that, a stacked plate. I don't like the, just the flow through rest design or whatever it's called. But I go ahead and grab one off of probably a truck, big one, and I'll mount it up here. So what we'll do is we'll run in to the factory one, we'll run out to the external, and then back to the transmission. So that's why I was in here. Anyway, here's the old engine in this thing. Yeah, it's nighttime. Just out here monkeying around. But yeah, we're definitely going to get that in there. That'll definitely extend the life of an automatic transmission. Alright guys, thanks for watching.